I'm Christina Hage, CEO and Plan President at MHS. In our mission to transform the health of our communities, MHS as an organization dedicated a week in April to service. We believe volunteering in the communities where we live and work allow for all of us to thrive. From gardening and cleanup to organizing clothes and diapers for foster youth, to serving and preparing meals for those experiencing homelessness, to making calls that support the Alzheimer's Association, and to having field day activity with youth at the community center, our team is making a difference for Hoosiers. We are honored to work alongside amazing groups such as Firefly, CHIP, The Villages, Wheeler Mission, the Alzheimer's Association, Shepherd Community Center, and Little Red Door to help make a difference in serious issues facing our communities. By focusing on key areas such as youth and family welfare, housing, and chronic disease, we believe we can see true improvement in the overall wellness of all Hoosiers. Thank you to our partners and our team members for serving our communities this week and every day.